And good morning, and thank you so much for joining me today. Please make sure you subscribe, and if you need any extra videos, message me and I'll make them for you. So we are looking at using trigonometry to find our unknown angles. So remember, we've been talking about the relationship between the sides and the angles of a triangle, of a right angled triangle. Well, that's where we can use our understanding of it to apply it to find out these missing angles. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, like every time, is I write my rules down. So our relationship comes back to so, car, toe. If you forget what that means, it means that we've got sin alpha is angle, equals opposite over hypotenuse. Car is cos alpha, which is angle, is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan alpha again equals opposite over adjacent. So I like to write them down before I get started. Now I can look at what information I have. So I have a triangle here. I've got one side that's 12 centimeters, another side that's 17 centimeters, and an unknown angle. So the first thing I'm going to be thinking about is, if this is my angle that I'm looking for, this is the opposite side, O. This is the hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent. So out of the opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent, I have two sides. I have opposite and I have hypotenuse, which that links me back to sine. Sine alpha equals opposite over hypotenuse. So I will use that and I will write that down. Sine alpha equals opposite over hypotenuse. The next thing we are going to be doing is substituting those values. So I don't know what alpha is, but I do know that opposite is 12 centimeters, hypotenuse is 17. Now, I just want you to think, we need to get alpha by itself, so we need to get sine over to the other side. So to get it to the other side and take it away from there, we use this sign. Sine with a -1. Now that is not saying it's a negative power to -1. It's just saying it's the opposite of sine. And that will assist us with using our calculator to get the answer. So sine to the -1, 12 over 17. Now we've got alpha by itself, we are able to calculate to find out that angle. So sine -1, 12 divided by 17, and our angle is 44.9 degrees. 44.9 degrees. Make sure you use the degree sign. Let's have another look at another question that we have. I have a triangle here. If this is my angle that I'm looking at, then I know that this is going to be the hypotenuse. This is adjacent to it, and this is opposite. So the next thing that I need to think about here with my equation is, okay, well, I've got O and I've got H. Oh, I'm doing sine again. So, sorry, I've got adjacent and I've got H, so I'm doing cos. My A looks like an O slightly, sorry about that. So I've got cos, alpha I don't know. I'll fix it up, there we go. And it equals adjacent, which is 35, over hypotenuse, which is 40. Again, we need to get alpha by itself. So the opposite of cos is cos -1. So we need to put cos -1 on the other side. And then we go 35 divided by 40. Now that we've got alpha by itself, we can use our calculator. Cos -1, 35 divided by 40. And we get 28.95. 28.95 degrees. And there you have it. That is our alpha. That is our angle. Really hope that helps you understand how to find unknown angles. If you need any extra help, message me and I will get back to you.